Basic versus advanced English. In basic, we can say how are you? In advanced, we can say how it's going. I am very hungry. I am famished. I am interested in it. In advance, I am into it. Me too. In advance, so am I. I am listening. In advance, I am all ears. It is not difficult. It's not a rocket science. Keep it a secret. In advance, keep it under wraps. Tell me what happened here. In advance, catch me up. Don't annoy me. Don't drive me crazy. I am very nervous. I have butterflies. Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop by tomorrow? I am very excited.